Yay! It's Tuesday and we are back here at the beach. This is just for morning walk. Maybe tomorrow we can swim, Kasi. Let's see. Yay! So nice. So hopefully our new body clock will stick. Philippine time zone. Awake during the day, asleep at night. So after this, work na ako. I have like more than 10 clients now. 13, 14 is coming. So hindi ko alam paano ko pinagpapasya ang sarili ko. I have no assistant except for ChatGPT. Sometimes does. But yeah, I can do everything naman. Tapos we manage pa. I co-manage the resort, the resto, the Kubo Cafe with Hans. And we're planning to set up another separate related business. Baka, let's see. Travel agency, we'll see. Anyway, for now, thank you lang Lord for everything. For letting me live my dream life. Thank you so much. Okay. I hope you have a good day, guys. Good morning. Bye.